In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble the FIS FTX 900 micron quick termination mechanical splice connector. First, remove the boot from the SC connector and insert the 900 micron cable. Mark the 900 micron buffer at the cutting point of 40 millimeters. Next, strip the 900 micron jacket to this mark. Strip the 250 micron acrylate coating and clean the fiber with isopropyl alcohol and low lint wipe. Next, cleave the bare fiber to 12 millimeters. Insert fiber guide onto the back of the SC connector. Insert the fiber into the connector along the guide. Once the fiber is fully installed, create a bend by pushing the fiber. Maintain bend and remove lock knob. Remove the fiber guide and push up the boot into the back of the connector. Now you have successfully completed a 900 micron quick termination mechanical splice connector. To purchase the FIS FTX quick termination mechanical splice connectors, contact FIS on the phone at 1-800-500-0347 or go to our website at fiberinstrumentsales.com. Subscribe to our channel for new videos.